It's a great way to break my diet though. I mean, what am I supposed to do? I probably had like 5 scoops so far. I feel like really bad already though. Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're all doing great. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere at Walls Ice Cream in South Miami, the neighborhood where I grew up. For as long as I can remember, this ice cream place has been here. They serve ice cream the old-fashioned way, straight up ice cream. I used to come here with friends and family when I was growing up. I have a lot of memories here. It's a great place to come, hang out, chill, have some ice cream. They also have banana splits, floats, ice cream sundaes, and a dozen flavors of ice cream. And the real reason why I'm here today is because I'm gonna attempt their 32 scoop ice cream challenge. Yes, that's 32 scoops of ice cream, banana, brownies, toppings. It's like 6 pounds. This is crazy. I've never done an ice cream challenge before. I don't think I can finish it, but I will at least try a little bit of everything. I'm gonna attempt it. Let's go inside Walls Ice Cream and try this 32 scoop challenge. Let's do it. Hey David, how you doing? Everything good?
Everything great. Hi, how's it going? This is Felipe Graviel from Walls Ice Cream. So I'm the new owner of Walls Ice Cream. I took over a little over 2 years ago, and this was my ice cream place growing up, and I heard it was up for sale and I fell in love with it, and I've been in love with this my whole life, and I just had to buy it, and it's been a dream ever since. So we have 28 flavors of ice cream here. It's all made locally. We have a lot of fun. We have some tropical flavors, but flavors for the whole family, you know, from the classics cookies and cream to some new coconut joy, pralines and cream, you know. The ice cream here is all the way it should be. Made heavy cream, sugars, the good stuff. You know, you don't come here for a diet, but you come here to enjoy real ice cream the way it should be. Come with your family, bring friends. This is the place to hang out and, you know, enjoy ice cream the way it should be. You know, we're really known for our sundaes, great banana splits, milkshakes, floats, sodas. You want it, we'll customize it, we'll make it for you. Come by yourself or share with some friends and family. Another thing a lot of people come here for is the Great Wall of Ice Cream. It's 12 flavors of ice cream, or ends up being like 32 scoops of ice cream, 5.5 pounds of ice cream. It's a monster plate of ice cream. If you eat it by yourself and you finish it, it's free, it's on the house.
Love cotton candy. Let's see. Dude, that's crazy. Delicious.
It's like cotton candy, but
I'm at the fair right there.
It's coconut joy.
Coconut joy.
It's a vacation in your mouth.
A vacation in your mouth.
Yeah.
It's so amazing.
Even people who say I don't like coconut, they try that and they change their mind. 100% guaranteed.
I mean, it tastes like you're eating the inside, you know?
I really do not like coconut.
Oh, I love that one. That's not part of the Great Wall?
You can make it for you. We can make that in the Great Wall. Make it easy for you.
Okay, 32 scoops of ice cream, brownie, banana, what was it? Nutella fudge? Caramel fudge. We got M&M's. Reese's Pieces. Oh man.
Alright, I hope you're ready for this.
Okay, so what flavors do we have in here? I don't even know. I forgot.
So the flavors you had in your Great Wall were cookies and cream, cookie dough, coffee, coconut joy, triple chocolate, vanilla chocolate chunk, strawberry, Oreo Heath, peanut butter chunk, dulce leche, peanut butter cup, Rocky Road, pralines and cream, and I think I caught all of them there. Yeah, that's exactly what you had in your Great Wall.
And toppings?
Toppings, you had hot caramel, Nutella, M&M's, Reese's Pieces, the brownie, of course, the banana, and chop it off with the cherry.
It's like, what is this? Okay, so we have all that. So how do I start? Just dive in?
Dive in. One scoop at a time.
That must have been Rocky Road up there. It's delicious. Hey. Oh man.
He's doing a few challenges. If you want to join,
Oh wow. The cotton candy here. I mean, I really don't know how to do this, so I'm just gonna dive into different pieces here. Get some brownie. Oh, the flavors. No, I like it. I mean, I just had cotton candy with like Rocky Road, banana, M&M. It's really different. Man, I don't know how to do this. I just go everywhere. It's just too much. What was that? Oh, coffee. Things that had caramel on top, so I didn't know what the flavor was. And look at this, all this. This is so amazing. Wow, this is like my dream. Thank God I do this for a living. It just keeps melting away. As you can see, the whole thing's just melting. Man, I love the mix of flavors here. I'm gonna have to like go around the sides to get different flavors, right? It's hard because the whipped cream, I mean, everything's just on top of each other. It's amazing. Did I die and go to heaven here or something? Wow, look at that. Cotton candy right there. Oh, and the coconut's right here. That's the best coconut ever. I mean, I'm always excited for the challenge. I just never feel good after, you know? Yeah. This is fun. I can really enjoy it. I'm gonna have to work out for like 2 weeks straight. Man, brownie is great. Love the brownie. Got Nutella on top. That's like triple chocolate with fudge, with Nutella, M&M's, whipped cream. I mean, it's a really fun challenge. I won't lie. Everything else is like all that, like the salty, you know, flavors. It's too much. This, like, I can do it. No, I know. My wife is like, you're not really gonna eat that. I'm like, I don't know. Wow, the coconut. Coconut's the best, man. Just gotta keep mixing, right? It's becoming like a puddle at the bottom. Wow. This cotton candy. That's the fair. Well, it's in the bottom here. Yeah, Oreo Heath Bar. Is that what it is? No, but this fudge brownie is ridiculous. The amazing thing about this challenge is that the flavors are like non-stop. The flavors keep changing and changing and changing. Imagine 12 different flavors. Then you have Nutella, the caramel, M&M's, peanut butter, brownie, whipped cream, banana. Oh my God, what's over here? Strawberry? Strawberry?
Strawberry.
Wow, the healthy part? Yeah. So how much time do I have here?
Well, until it starts pulling out the plate.
Yeah?
Off the plate.
Should we have anybody join? You want to join 32 scoops? No, too much, right? I'm trying to see what other flavors I can find in here. The thing is that the scoops are like so deep in here. There's caramel in there. I think it's actually the caramel that's dripping down. Then I'm gonna have to get a little bit of the banana. Look at this is like ridiculous. I'm just trying to find different flavors here. The strawberry mixed with the cotton candy is amazing. What's in here? Oh, there's just too much in here. I have no idea what's inside here. I mean, it's the best combination of flavors ever because you have all 12 flavors mixing together. Nutella, the brownie. I mean, this brownie is so good. I love the fudge brownie. And it's like literally a puddle. Look at this. What? I really can't finish this, guys. Like, I know I'm gonna like tap out in 2 minutes. It's a great way to break my diet, though. I mean, what am I supposed to do? I probably had like 5 scoops so far. I feel like really bad already, though. I don't know. You know, I'm trying to get more flavors. I just don't know where to go. Each corner has 4 flavors. Okay. I think I just got whipped cream there. I don't think I got anything else. I have to like dig deep. What else do you put? Cookies and cream? Cookies and cream? Okay. Yeah, I feel like everything's just melting together right now, though. You gotta eat it pretty fast. If not, everything just starts to melt, and it doesn't fill the plate. It's already starting to come out. Oh my gosh. Probably just need a straw and just like, just drink it all. Oversized paper straw. Look at this. Okay, so I'll just like. It's amazing. No, it really is the best thing ever. Like mixing all the flavors there. I just like stick it in. Like, oh wow, dude. This is just fun. This is like intense. A little hard. Oh wow. A lot of cotton candy there. Like a lot. It's like it's overkill ice cream, but I mean it's a great way to try all the flavors. Okay, so basically you can choose 4 flavors, you could choose 28 different flavors if you want, but I mean what he's saying is that the best thing to do is choose max, 12 different flavors, because if you go crazy and you put sorbet in here or something else like mint, it might overwhelm your palate and then you might not be able to finish it just because it's like too many flavors. I mean, I'm gonna have like one more like sip or my daughter's gonna have a heart attack right now. I'm gonna bring this home and be like, here you go. My last bite. Okay, so that was a 32 scoop ice cream challenge. I didn't even make a dent here. I mean, this is just too much. I probably ate 3 scoops. I mean, that's just like a lot of ice cream. I mean, it's really an amazing taste of flavors here. My favorite thing probably was the cotton candies because I love cotton candy ice cream. With the brownie, fudge brownie, the coconut also. The coconut ice cream was amazing. I don't even know what else I tried in there. I mean, there was coffee, there was like a Rocky Road, there was a strawberry one in there, triple chocolate. So good. And they give you this. I mean, this is just funny that you could do this. So a lot of ice cream in there. But guys, next time you're in Miami, head down to South Miami. You can actually just take the Metro Rail down here. You can either stop at South Miami Metro Rail Station, or you can stop at the North Dayland Station and come right here to the Walls Ice Cream. They have incredible ice cream, 28 different flavors. They got sundaes, they have banana splits, floats. I mean, so many different things. I mean, and if you want to do this, it's $35 for this challenge. If you actually do it and complete it, you get it for free. But I would definitely just say, just get this with a family and split it. You know, I'd say probably like 10 people because there's so many scoops of ice cream, 32. I mean, most people eat like 2 max. So yeah, definitely worth it. And yeah, I mean, next time you're here in South Miami, hit up Walls Ice Cream. I hope you love this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. And maybe I'll just have a little bit more because it's just so good. I'll just like shove this in here. Oh well.